Thank you, Benny, for the introduction and for your passionate support of vision science. It's always a pleasure and a privilege working with you to grow and nurture the vision research at the Shea Eye Institute. Welcome everyone to this third annual Vision Science Day Symposium, which is funded by the Jeffrey Berger Research Scholarship Foundation. Reflecting for a moment on vision research at Penn, I'm humbled by the accomplishments of the past and excited about the future. We stand on the shoulders of giants like Gene Bennett and Al McGuire, who developed the first ever ocular gene therapy, now FDA approved. Luxturna brings sight to children who are born blind. Building on this success, our guest speaker, Eric Pierce, along with Tomas Aleman, Art Sadasian, and Peter Quinn, are not only adding genes, but also correcting mutations in experimental models and in patients with eye disease. Looking ahead, to discover mechanisms and develop cures for eye disease, together we will leverage new techniques like multiomics, bioinformatics, AI, RNA therapeutics, and gene editing, stem cell transplantation, rejuvenation, and ocular imaging at ever-increasing resolution. The purpose of the meeting is to promote collaborations, education, and dissemination of our findings. To help with the latter, I'm excited that Kelly Cervic, a writer from Science Magazine, is attending the meeting. You can see from the meeting format on the schedule. If you don't have one, ask Brandon at the registration desk. There will be 4 sessions with talks, each separated by a poster session or lunch. Speakers, please adhere to the time limits. When the moderator comes to keep you company at the podium, please prepare to sum up your talk. There will then be 4 minutes for questions for the in-person audience. For the virtual audience, thank you for joining us. If you have a question, put it in the chat and we will ask the speaker if time permits. For posters, we have a fantastic turnout of 48 posters. Since we only have room for 40 poster boards, some posters will be up in the morning or the afternoon only. Those will be labeled with special signs, so be sure to go and look at them when they're available. Now onto the Berger Award and lecture. Jeffrey W. Berger was a clinician scientist and a member of our vitreoretinal faculty who passed away tragically at age 37 in 2001. He was a compassionate clinician, dedicated teacher, and outstanding researcher using digital imaging technology to study AMD. He treated faculty, trainee, and staff like family. And to this day, the department still feels like family, in part because of him. I'm delighted now to present the Jeffrey W. Berger Medical Student Research Award. This annual award helps support the ophthalmology research of promising UPenn medical students. Please join me in congratulating Rajat Chandra, who is mentored by Guisheng Ying. Rajat is going to give a 1-minute elevator talk about his research after I present him with this certificate.
Hello, thank you for this award. Under Dr. Ying's support, we've been looking at using machine learning models to predict which premature infants will develop severe retinopathy of prematurity. Dr. Ying and Dr. Binnenbaum had already developed a simple model for this prediction, making with a sensitivity of 100% and reducing the need for eye examinations by about 33%. We have trained multiple time series models so far that use primarily postnatal weight gain within the first 3 weeks to make this prediction. And while using this feature alone wasn't good enough to improve on the prediction that Dr. Ying and Dr. Binnenbaum already had, when including features like hydrocephalus, sepsis, birth weight, and gestational age, we were able to improve performance in the training phase to maintain a sensitivity of 100% for type 1 ROP, and improve the specificity to about 57%. We're next working on integrating these two models to see if we can further improve the specificity while maintaining 100% sensitivity. And thank you to Dr. Ying and Dr. Binnenbaum for helping me through this exciting project and allowing me to build my skills in time series modeling. Thank you.
Congratulations, Rajat, on this important work. In addition to the Medical Student Award, the Berger Foundation has created a new exchange program with vision scientists in Israel called the Shea Hadassah International Exchange, or SHINE. The current scholar is Khaled Safadi. The program is supporting him to learn and work in Chi Sui's lab for 2 years. When he returns to Israel, he will start a glaucoma lab at Hadassah Hospital in Jerusalem with his wife, Suad Al-Hadi, who is now working in Amara Ross's lab. Khaled and Suad, could you please stand up for a moment?